All right, hey guys, it's Mr. Forden here. Hopefully you're enjoying this the really rainy Thursday right now. I see I got a few people in my third block class working on this assignment. You do have a quick assignment here on Thursday asynchronously to work on. Where should the celebrity stand? And this again is just getting us think about slope angles and how they create a unique slope ratio here in a right triangle. So we'll look at this in a second. And it's meant to be a kind of a quick assignment here, but I'm getting some questions on it. That's why I'm filming this video. I'm just going to go through slide 4 real quick. And questions are expected, right? This is normally something that I would love to do in class with one another, and you need to work with a group. You need to get kind of unstuck. So hopefully I can help you with that right now filming this video. But please send me more questions. Slide 5, slide 6, if you need some help with that, willing to help you out here. But again, this shouldn't be much of your day. And this assignment should be a bit easier if you've already done Wednesday night's homework, which isn't due until Friday. All right, celebrity number 1. Choose one of your celebrity friends listed on slide 1. Google their height. Where would they have to stand in order for the string to be exactly on top of their head? Here we got Veronica. Veronica's exactly 5 feet tall. Boop, top of the head there. We got a reference angle of 18 degrees there. A reference angle, we'll discuss what that means exactly on Friday, but we have an 18-degree angle there. That's our theta. Theta is a Greek letter. I told you a little bit about that yesterday here. But okay, so opposite that 18 degrees, we have Veronica, who's 5 feet tall. And adjacent, that's another word we'll use tomorrow, adjacent to the 18-degree angle is that our adjacent side, our adjacent leg, here's our opposite leg. This is our adjacent leg, is 15 here. And this, of course, is a right triangle, right? A right triangle, as I'm sure you have kind of noticed here, a right triangle where she's standing. Okay, so anyways, I got to Google somebody else here. I'm going with Ice Cube. That's right. I'm going with the cube here in the class. I think 2 classes people chose Ice Cube, but definitely third block here. So there's my man Ice Cube right there. He's 5 foot 8 inches tall. Okay, 5 foot 8 inches tall. So he's an interesting height where we have some inches to work with. So you probably have to convert feet to inches or inches to feet. I'm probably going to convert to feet. That's probably what I'm going to do because Veronica is in feet right here, right? She's 5 feet tall. Okay, so he's a little bit taller. He's 5 foot 8. Definitely taller than Eazy-E. If you're gonna have to pick the members of NWA, he's just kind of the guy in the middle here. Dre is super far away from the string, right? Dre's 6'1", right? He's about Mr. Fortin's height here. So Dre's pretty big, but Eazy-E, man, was Eazy-E ever short here? Okay, Eazy-E here. All right, so it's a good thing you guys aren't fans of celebrity Eazy-E. He's a little bit more controversial, I think, too, than Ice Cube. So anyways, Ice Cube we can let roll. He's in some nice movies nowadays now. So anyways, all right, so let's go ahead and do Ice Cube. So Ice Cube, we're going to Google his height. He's 5'8". Where is he going to have to stand? So he's obviously going to have to stand further out here, right? Further out here. But how can we use mathematics to figure it out here? Well, we have a reference angle. It's 18 degrees here, okay? 18 degrees here. And what we know is that we have a slope ratio, right? Slope ratio of an 18-degree angle. And we know it's what? Like, so if you've done the assignment already from Wednesday, we know that the slope angle of an 18-degree angle is 5 over 15, right? Here I got 5 over 15. So rise over run. So that's 1/3. Okay, 1/3, right? 5 over 15 divided both by 5, you get 5 divided by 5 is 1, 15 divided by 5 is 3, so it's a 1-to-3 ratio here. So we need to figure out, well, you got 5 foot 8 inches, and cube, right, Ice Cube height is 5 foot 8 inches here, and I might change that to feet, right, 5 foot 8 inches. So you might have to ask yourselves, right, how much he is in feet, because that's going to determine, right, the relationship between the string is that the taller the person, the further away they are. And if we make a relationship here, we take the person's height, and how are we going to get that adjacent length here, that adjacent leg? Well, this here, 5 going to 15, this here, this side here, these 2 side lengths of this right triangle right here are in a 1-to-3 ratio. Look, 1-to-3 ratio. So wherever cube's going to be standing up here in a second, is similar to Veronica. I use that word similar intelligently there because it's going to form a similar triangle with this 18-degree reference angle. And then, of course, cube's going to be standing, right? He's going to be standing perpendicular to the ground. So we're going to have a 90-degree angle. So that this triangle here, and wherever cube's going to stand, going to be similar, right? Going to be similar to this triangle that Veronica's making right here. Okay, so anyways, Ice Cube's height is 5 foot 8 inches. And you might ask yourself, how many inches are there in a foot? And there are 12 inches in a foot here, okay? So if I had to convert this from inches to feet, I'm going to take my 8 inches, and I'm going to divide by 12, right? That's a 2-to-3 ratio, so I'm going to get about 5.66666, right? Feet tall, right? Because he's 5 foot 8 inches. That's about 5.6 feet repeating. Okay, repeating. So if he's 5.6 feet, right? 5.6 feet repeating. Not 5 feet 6 inches, 5 feet 8 inches here. So if I have this 5.6 feet, right? That's how tall he's going to be. I'm going to figure out how far he is going to be here, because what do I got to do? Well, I know that whatever my side I'm introducing right here, it's going to be ×3 away from where this kite is fastened. And that's going to be right over his head. So we can use mathematics to predict where exactly he needs to stand here. So if I take this 5.3, well, let's say I'm going to add 0.52. Sorry, 5.6 repeating. There it is right there. I simply got to multiply by 3. There it is. Ice cube. The cube needs to stand 17 feet away. So he's 2 feet, right? If we're going to arrange yourselves in a line, a celebrity line right here. We get Yao Mingwei up here or something. LeBron James is over here. But anyways, he stands exactly 17 feet away. So that's just an additional 2 feet here. Okay, we got the cube right there. I don't know if people call him the cube, but I'm calling him the cube. And Easy E's like right over here. Okay, Dre's back over here. But we use mathematics to get it here. Okay, so he's 17. He's not gonna live with the string touching his head the whole time. He's too big of a celebrity for that. He's 17 feet away. Okay, so they would have to stand 17 feet from the string, because his height is 5 foot 8 inches, which converts to 5 2/3, right? 5 2/3 feet. Oops, 5 2/3. Let's see how to do a fraction. 5 2/3 feet. And we know that the slope ratio of an 18-degree angle is 1/3. So he needs to stand exactly 3 times as far from the ends of the string as is his height, to perfectly create a right triangle with the string on top of his head. All right. Are you going to find yourself in a situation where you got to ask Ice Cube to stand directly below the string of a kite? I'm guessing not, but that's our justification here. And then maybe we actually kind of show that calculation here, right? Which is that 5 2/3 times by 3 equals 17. And we'll put the feet there too. So we have that. Box our answer up, right? If we were doing it on a test or something like that, or kind of write it out. But there it is here. Ice Cube, 17 feet away. There it is. I'll label it here. Ice Cube, or the cube as I've been calling it. Okay, thank you for your questions. Hopefully this helps. You can do a similar thing on slide 5. Slide 6. Well, you got to figure out where that kite is and hopefully justify it, right? If you're going to be able to figure out how far it is, like you can count here and you can maybe count up, right? You can count it, but maybe you can actually prove, right? Based on it's 15, 16, 17, 18. This is scaled by ones. So the kite's over here. How tall is it? Maybe hopefully you do that in slide 6. Thank you for asking questions. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this. Well, you didn't enjoy watching this, but hopefully you enjoyed the assignment a little bit today. Take care. Bye.